ready for the No Notes Needed OPC UA demonstration?
Hi, Kanae. When are we doing that?
Now, did you forget?
I thought that was tomorrow.
No, it's in 15 minutes. Should we reschedule?
No, it's pretty easy. You can set it up quickly. Come on. OPC UA is Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture. It's a communication protocol for building managers, lab managers, to query BSCs and other equipment with OPC UA for the status of the device, whether it's on or off, if the windows are open or closed, energy consumption, all kinds of stuff. So it's pretty cool.
It sounds like it's similar to Bluetooth.
Yes, not in the sense that it's wireless, but in the sense that if you have two devices that have Bluetooth, even from different suppliers, they can communicate. So the gateway takes the cabinet information and turns it into OPC UA accessible data, and you need one gateway for every device you're connecting.
I see the power supply and the Ethernet connections. How do you connect it to the BSC?
There's a USB-B port on top. We have this cable to connect the cabinet to the gateway. Then we'll connect the gateway to the system with an Ethernet cable to test the connection and get the data. Would you mind putting the gateway on top of the cabinet and connecting everything? I'll get my laptop and load the off-the-shelf software we use to test the connection.
Sure.
Great. Do you see two LED lights blinking green?
Yes.
Great, everything's connected. Let's look at the data. We can see three types of BSC information. We can see the usage, the status, and the gateway connection information.
That's helpful. Facilities can then identify high-use cabinets and estimate energy consumption.
Yes, they can. And the usage records the operating hours of the filter, the UV, and the cabinet. And then looking at the cabinet status will tell you if there was an airflow alarm, if there's a window position alarm, if the UV cycle was cut before the end of the cycle time, if the internal receptacles are on, if the UV is on, and if the fans are on.
Knowing the alarm statuses can be really helpful. The BSC operator can, of course, hear and see the alarm when it happens, but an overall record could help the lab manager identify areas that need more attention and are seeing more risk.
Absolutely. Well, there we have it. We're done.
Thanks for demonstrating, Dave.
Sure.
And thank you for joining us for this edition of No Notes Needed.